Well, don't call me tita, but your mommy. Yak! Yak! Ayoko.
Hoy, hindi tuturon. Bastos. Hi, I'm Rita Oya. Doon, pakpok na, paknot, basta panot. No, no. No, no, kill it. Mangga! Kahit itong katabi ko parang...
Oh my God, may na hand wash din.
Although I'm pretty sure he never met a horse.
No filter din. Go, go,
Excuse me, I have a flight to catch.
Anong hit song ni Yeng Constantino ang nagdiriwang ng 10th anniversary noong 2024 at madalas pinapatugtog sa mga kasal?
Chinito.
Sinanay mo na ko sa kingon, at nang ikaw ay mawinawin.
Langgam. I get so confused with the word langgam because langgam in Tagalog is. Wait, what's. I get so confused. Because. Ant. Yeah, I mean. Langgam in Tagalog is ant. Because in Bisaya, it's bird. So I get so confused. I don't know if my food is being eaten by ants or bird.
Ito din, nabili ng mama ko. Okra! Yuck! Wait. Yuck!